I'm Marty Stouffer. Family life is the way of life for humans and for many wild animals. One of our favorite wild families are the dogs. The smallest members of the dog family are the famous foxes. There's virtually no place from Florida to Alaska, except for downtown city streets, where foxes of one kind or another cannot be found. Yet they're seldom seen. Alert, with cat-like paws and eyes, they're experts at survival and have been dodging man for centuries. Most common is the red fox, the subject of countless fables. While the mother goes off to hunt, the 2-month-old kits emerge to play.